Jawad Ahmad, and my student ID is 3310-2819, and today I'll be demonstrating my mobile web application development portfolio assessment. And in this assessment I was given a series of tasks which are completed, and as you can see over here, I've made this application which is Android based. As you can see, the Android logo and Android application, and as you can see, this is all the back end coding for the app I was supposed to make. And as you can see, there's an application ID and release and all the requirements and coding we need to make the app. And I've run the app here and as you can see here, this is the Qt app, and this is an example that I'll be demonstrating. As you can see, this says please touch on one of the animals icons. Animal icons. So as you can see, I clicked on it and it says you clicked on the group of cute cats, and the other one cute dog. So, and again, I'm gonna click on clear, and it's gonna clear everything, and this shows that my coding was successful. So this is the second app that I've was given a task for, and as you can see, this is another backend coding for the travel app made. And as you can see, it has this application ID and all the basic feature codings and stuff we need to make it run. And as you can see, I run the application over here, and it says travel app London, and there's a little description. And also from here, to run the app, we can click on the way our travel mode, like what we want to do. And I clicked on train, and there's a little option over here. I'm gonna click on that, and we can select either one of them where we want. I'm gonna select Birmingham, for example, and submit. And then as you can see, it shows a pop-up where it says travel details, travel mode, train, and destination Birmingham. That shows it runs, and I'm gonna click OK, and then I can also clear selection, and it unselects everything I've done. That shows that everything's working fine. And you can see I can click on boat as well, for example, and I'm gonna click submit, and it says again the pop-up boat and greenish boat ride, and OK and clear again. This shows it all works. This is the third app, which is the pizza app. I'll say the pizza ordering app, and as you can see, this is also the backend coding for the app that I've done, and which shows all the little details I've done. And again, I wanna open the app, and as you can see, the app is run, and then over here it says to make your own pizza, select the ingredients in below on the basic we need. And over here you can select the pizza sides and the toppings, etc. And for example, I'm gonna select medium pizza with the peppers and olives and salami and corn. And over here then it shows the prices for the pizzas on the next as well, and then it shows what I've selected over here, and over here and the total that needs to be paid. So the coding actually, it's all done, and it adds up everything I select. For example, I'm gonna select this and then unselect this, adds and subtracts by itself. I'm gonna click order pizza, and there you go. There's like a receipt and the pop-up that it says what I've ordered and that it's ordered and they were successful. And over here, obviously, I can click clear order if I want to order again, and that also shows that everything's working fine because it's all clearing. Alright, so this is another app I've done that I was required to do. This is the login and register app. This shows the coding and all the back end stuff that's going on, that's got our app running. This is the app I've launched, and as you can see over here, it says please enter your username and password and log into the account. So I'm gonna say select something here, write my name, password, and obviously it will say invalid username and password because I've not actually signed up. It recognizes that It says it knows that I haven't signed up for anything yet, so I can click over here, sign up. Over here I can write my name, my gender, date of birth. I can select whatever that is, and obviously I can select a username, write that down, and the password. Again, the password, and I can register, and obviously it says the registration is successful. And if I write my name over here and password, everything, I actually forgot what I wrote, but yeah, it's gonna just remember everything. And let me try that again, just to show that the registration works. I'll write my actual name down and date of birth, username. I'm gonna write a simple one so I don't forget. So, and that's it. And then I've made it. Oh, animal catalog app, and once again there's the background coding, all the filters and apps, need activity providers, metadata, and the refuses. You can say all that's done over here, and this should be enough to to meet our recommendations. And as you can see, this is the app, and it says click here for any more details. So I can click on any one of these. For example, I want to know about the falcon. I click on that, and there it goes. There's a picture of the falcon, and this talks about it, what it's good at. There's a whole paragraph, and obviously I can click on next, and the next one I can click on next again. There's a Fennec Forks again. So as you can see, all this app is working. And obviously if you want to go back to reading what it is, then I can click on previous, and there's again we can go previous and back and forth. So this shows the app is working fine, and that's it. This is the final app that I've made. It's the library book reservation from one of the requirements, and this just shows all the codings and the magic we need to do behind the scene. That's all going, providers, meta, and that's all that and enough to meet the requirements. So I'm just gonna quickly run the app over here, and that's it. So that's the app that popped up, and as you can see over here, the list of books: Philosopher's Stone, Order of the Phoenix, and Deadly Hallows. So I'm gonna select Philosopher's Stone, for example. I'm gonna click on Reserve Book. It's gonna say what date I need, so from the 7th to or I can select, actually I'm gonna click 8th, click OK, and then it shows reserved Harry Potter, and obviously I clicked it twice, that's why it says 2 books. So as you can see, but that also shows that however many books I reserve, however many times, it's gonna add up the number to this, and it shows reserved summary, and the dates from 8th till the 8th till the 9th. So that shows the app's all good and running. Here again, this is another app, which is the contact app from one of my requirements, and this again is the backend coding and everything we need to make sure the app is up and running. So here I'm gonna run the app, and there we go. This is a pop-up. So it looks weird right now because I don't really have contacts on my computer. But however, I'll show you that I can select stuff here, find stuff. For example, if I have contacts, I can just search them here and they'll come up. However, I did run the app on the phone, and on the assignment there's screenshots which shows that on the app, if I do have any contacts, they'll show up here, and they'll be on the assignment that I've done on the app. So but other than that, it's the app's up and running. It will work completely fine. Conclusion. So overall I think I've done a good job because I managed to successfully make all the 7 apps and successfully run them. That's the greatest achievement for me, because I was here and there scared that something won't work out. But thankfully, all of the apps were up and running, all the features, applications, and the requirements that I was supposed to meet were met. And as for example, for anything else, improvements, I can say I can improve a lot with on color scheme, and I can add more options and everything. That's I will say improvement. But other than that, I think I've done a pretty good job for this for the starters, because the color for as I'm making it the first time, so the colors and the options and how I've displayed my apps, presented them, I think I've done a good job. Thank you. That was my application.